Hello guys, I am Ghanshyam Prajapati and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So the bigger picture of this video is that the 30 days of Google Cloud has been announced, and for them who don't know about this program, I would like to elaborate about it. So the 30 days of Google Cloud is a 30-day program that will provide you an opportunity to kickstart your career in cloud and get hands-on practice on Google Cloud. So in this program, you have to complete two tracks. The one is cloud engineering track, in which you have to complete these 6 skill badges. These 6 skill badges you have to complete, inside which you have to complete these kind of labs. Some labs are optional in it, so you have to complete either of the lab. After completing, you will get a skill badge. Likewise, you have to complete the another skill badge, another track. The track 2 is data science and machine learning track. In this track, you have to complete these 6 skill badges, in which you have to complete these labs: a tour of quick labs and Google Cloud, creating virtual machine, compute engine. These are optional labs, and these kind of labs you have to complete. If you complete these lab, means if I open this whole labs, then you have to complete, inside which you have to complete these kind of labs. So guys, in this program you will get the prizes according to the track you complete. If you complete track 1 or track 2, you will get some goodies. As per now, they have decided some goodies, but in this year they are providing some exciting goodies that were not present in the last year. Means the goodies they are providing this year are different from the last year. So if you complete track 1, you will get one t-shirt and a certificate of appreciation. And if you complete if you complete either of the track, you will get a t-shirt and certificate of certification. And if you complete both the tracks, then you will get a t-shirt with the Google Cloud logo, a certificate of appreciation, and a laptop bag. And the amazing thing comes here is a water bottle, that is sipper, you will get in this year. So the Google Cloud has announced it that the 30 days of Google Cloud is going to start from 27th September 2021, and it will end on 27th October 2021. So guys, you get started for this program, 30 days of Google Cloud. It will start on 27th September 2021 and it will end on 27th October 2021, and the registration for the same will start from 21st September or 20th September. That means the registration will start from Monday or Tuesday. You will get the link. What you have to do is you have to come this site only. I will give this link in the description box. On 20th or 21st, you just check out this link, and here you will get a button, a enable button, on which you have to click, and you will get a form to register yourself. So on 20th or 21st September, you can register yourself for this program. So guys, this was all for this video. If you love this video, just like my video and comment your doubts if you have any. And if you want to know more about this 30 days of Google Cloud and want tutorial videos and amazing prizes, because I haven't disclosed, I know I have the pictures and I know what is going to be you will get, but according to the 30 days of Google Cloud, currently I can't show you that. So to know more about 30 days of Google Cloud and tutorial videos, just subscribe my YouTube channel, Ghanshyam the Comrade. And thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye, take care.